Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video I have an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a long time. So, we have a box obviously, because that's how we get stuff. So, let me open this. Okay, so, not the best at opening boxes. I hope I'm in the frame. Just barely. They'll open eventually. There we go. Okay. Very well packed box. It's coming from one of my local alarm companies, by the way. Bought these devices from their eBay store, so thank you to them. So, got the box open. So, we have device number 1. What? Okay then, hold on. Anyway, device number 1. So, device number 2. And unexpectedly, device number 3. I wasn't supposed to get 3 devices, but I got a note. So, yeah. Wow, okay. I'm gonna have to write a really good review. Hold on. Oh, these can sync up, can't they? Yeah, they kind of can. Yeah, I'm gonna have to send them a message. That's not standing up, okay. Well, so yeah, they are Wheelock weatherproof MTs. Wow, thank you to them. Yeah, wow, okay. I was not expecting to get 3. Yeah, so that's today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. You may have gotten a face reveal in there, but it's fine. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.